From this video, you will get tips to prepare for NSE 6_OTS AR-7.6 Fortinet NSE 6 OT Security 7.6 Architect. NSE 6_OTS AR-7.6 Exam Key Information. NSE 6_OTS AR-7.6 Exam Domains. How to pass the Fortinet NSE 6_OTS AR-7.6 exam. 1. As an OT network administrator, you are required to generate reports that primarily use the same type of data sent to FortiGate EM. These reports are based on the preloaded analytic searches. Which two actions can you take on FortiGate EM to enhance running reports for future use? Choose 2. A. Automate running these reports upon receiving new logs. B. Export the preloaded analytics searches to an external syslog server. C. Create custom reports to process additional analytic searches. D. Save the analytic searches and turn them into report definitions. Answer: C, D. 2. In an operation technology, OT, network FortiAnalyzer is used to receive and process logs from responsible FortiGate devices. Which statement about why FortiAnalyzer is receiving and processing multiple TOG messages from a given programmable logic controller, PLC, or remote terminal unit, RTU, is true? A. To determine which type of messages from the PLC or RTU causes issues in the plant. B. To isolate PLCs or RTUs in the event of external attacks. C. To help OT administrators troubleshoot and diagnose the OT network. D. To track external threats and prevent them attacking the OT network. Answer: D. 3. What is the primary objective of implementing SD-WAN in operational technology, OT, networks? A. Reduce security risk and threat attacks. B. Remove centralized network security policies. C. Enhance network performance of OT applications. D. Replace standard links with lower-cost connections. Answer: C. 4. Operational technology, OT, network analysts run different levels of reports to identify failures that could put the network at risk. Some of these reports may be related to device performance, which Forti's IEM reporting method helps identify device failures. A. Device inventory reports. B. Payment card industry, PCI, logging reports. C. Configuration Management Database, CMDB, operational reports. D. Business service reports. Answer: C. 5. The OT network analysts run different level of reports to quickly explore failures that could put the network at risk. Such reports can be about device performance. Which Forti's IEM reporting method helps to identify device failures? A. Business service reports. B. Device inventory reports. C. CMDB operational reports. D. Active dependent rules reports. Answer: C. Six. A FortiGate device is newly deployed as the edge gateway of an OT network security fabric. The downstream FortiGate devices are also newly deployed as security fabric leafs to protect the control area zone. With no additional essential networking devices, and to implement micro-segmentation on this OT network, what configuration must the OT network architect apply to control intra-VLAN traffic? A. Enable transparent mode on the edge FortiGate device. B. Enable security profiles on all interfaces connected in the control area zone. C. Set up VPN tunnels between downstream and edge FortiGate devices. D. Create a software switch on each downstream FortiGate device. Answer: C. 7. Which statement is correct about processing matched rogue devices by FortiNAC? A. FortiNAC cannot revalidate matched devices. B. FortiNAC remembers the matching rule of the rogue device. C. FortiNAC disables matching rule of previously profiled rogue devices. D. FortiNAC matches the rogue device with only one device profiling rule. Answer: B. 8. What are two critical tasks the OT network auditors must perform during OT network risk assessment and management? Choose 2. A. Planning a threat hunting strategy. B. Implementing strategies to automatically bring PLCs offline. C. Creating disaster recovery plans to switch operations to a backup plant. D. Evaluating what can go wrong before it happens. Answer: C. D. 9. To increase security protection in an OT network, how does application control on FortiGate detect industrial traffic? A. By inspecting software and software-based vulnerabilities. B. By inspecting applications only on non-protected traffic. C. By inspecting applications with more granularity by inspecting sub-application traffic. D. By inspecting protocols used in the application traffic. Answer: D. 10. How can you achieve remote access and internet availability in an OT network? A. Create a back-end backup network as a redundancy measure. B. Implement SD-WAN to manage traffic on each ISP link. C. Add additional internal firewalls to access OT devices. D. Create more access policies to prevent unauthorized access. Answer: B. 11. Subscribe and like past question.